AI voiceover, creating blog posts and even entire websites in just minutes with AI. People used to spend years of their lives doing this, and now many of them may at some point feel like idiots because it turns out that their work has almost no value anymore. You may think that you need to find yourself another occupation, preferably physical labor. But wait, stop this folks. Tell you what, in reality, things are not so bad for those who love and want to continue creating something themselves. The problem is that nowadays on the internet, everyone says what they find profitable for themselves. That is why numerous gurus constantly use trending topics like AI in their YouTube videos to earn affiliate commissions. I will show you step by step how you can build your online business in just a couple of weeks, working 1 to 3 hours a day max, and easily scale it up to 10k a month. I'm stupid and lazy, so you'd have to be a complete retard not to replicate this. I bet you've heard this many times, right? By the way, they are by no means lazy or stupid. Sure, AI helps, but let's be honest, you need to be very careful with not overusing it, because your content may very quickly start feeling robotic. There is no human touch in the AI content that connects us humans. People are not idiots, and it's very arrogant to think that they are. Artists and other creators have been putting emotion and a piece of their soul into their creative works for hundreds of years, and that is why their works only become more valuable over time. There will be no other Michael Jackson, Tupac Shakur, Nirvana or the Beatles. This is because their emotions were unique, authentic and cannot be replicated. Do something that you won't be ashamed of in many years and that triggers emotions. This is how you create something that lasts.